Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Megan Yvonne. If you're new, if you are a returning subscriber or a new subscriber, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad to have you here today. This video is all about, well, I guess if you read the description box or if you read the title, it's all about Amazon products, Amazon beauty products specifically that I tried just in my normal makeup routine. I'm going to get into what I thought was a hit, what I thought was a miss. So if you're interested, stay tuned for this video. Hi guys, so right here we're using the Paw Paw Wonder Blender. This was supposed to be like a beauty blender dupe that is similar to the makeup sponge, but as you can see right here, when I started blending out the product, it seems like it was picking up the concealer instead of just blending it out. So I wasn't too pleased about that, and also it was a little bit more firm than your traditional beauty blender. For me, myself, I particularly like a blender that is more on the softer side. So those are the only two cons that I saw with this product, but I mean, it does get the job done. I liked how it applied my powder. As you can see, I'm applying my translucent powder right here, and I really didn't have a problem with it right there, but I didn't like how it picked up the product when I first was trying to blend out my concealer on top of my forehead. Right here, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills concealer, and then I'm using the makeup brush, well, one of the brushes from the set that I got from Amazon. So I did another video and I was talking about the benefit of just buying the brushes that you need versus buying a set like this. And my reasoning behind that was that, you know, when you look at a set, you're thinking like, oh, it has everything I need. But upon further inspection, you see that it doesn't have everything you need. So the brush that I first used, it did well with blending out the concealer. I didn't have a problem with that, but it didn't have an actual like tapered or fluffy blending brush. So as you can see, I'm using like would be a blush brush or a contour brush to try to blend out my shadow. It didn't have anything that I could use to like really get in there and blend out the shadow the way that I typically would like. So I'm using the brush like it's like a bullet shaped brush and that blush brush to go ahead and complete the eye look. And as you can see, like it was touch and go. Some of the brushes in the palette, like right here, I'm using an actual like sponge, like the old school sponges that you used to apply eyeshadow with. They typically would come in like a set with your eyeshadow, but it was a struggle in the sense of like I didn't have the brushes that I typically love. Nonetheless, I kept pushing through with the makeup look because I was dedicated and I wanted to see it pull through. So I was just using a combination of, you know, my original brush that I used to kind of sketch out the color at first with that orangish color, and then I didn't have a dark brown shadow in my palette, so I was mixing a black shadow with the orangish color that I originally laid down to get that like dark brown look. And then I went back in with the blush brush to try to blend it out the best I could. You know, looking back at the footage as I'm editing, it doesn't look bad, but I just know for someone who enjoys putting on their makeup, like I know this is not typically how I like my makeup to look. So I'm just using my regular brush to dust away the powder, one that's already in my kit that's not from Amazon, to dust away the powder from underneath my eyes. And then I'm going to go in with these lashes. These lashes are from Amazon. Yes, they are. As I showed you, they're kind of like a demi wispy. And then I also use this powder puff from Amazon. And this is not a new thing that I've introduced into my makeup routine because I really do like the powder puff. One thing I will say about these lashes are that the lash band is on the thinner side. So it has like it's a thicker band in a sense that when you look at it, it's thicker, but when you feel it, it's on the thinner side. So it wasn't trying to stick to my eye. Like, I'm like, I go for a thicker lash band because I just find it easier to work with. But yeah, I was like, in this case, I guess you get what what you pay for. You can't expect top-notch quality. But, I mean, they get the job done. Personally, if I were to wear them again, I would definitely double the lashes up just so that they could have a thicker lash band and they would adhere to my eye. But yep, that's it. Thank you guys for staying tuned to the end of this video. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't already, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Go ahead and like this video. It does help my channel. It does help get my video out to more viewers. I would so appreciate it. Also, don't forget to comment below. Let me know if you have some Amazon products that you absolutely adore, or some Amazon products that you can suggest that I should include in my beauty routine. I would say, as far as the products I tried today, some were hits, some were missed. Also, don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I would love to have you join the family. We are growing, and I want you to be a part of my journey, be a part of the growth process. So yeah, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, because you can be notified every time I upload a new video, whether that's a regular video or a short. So go ahead and hit that notification bell so you can stay in the know. Also, don't forget to share this video with your family and friends. I so appreciate those of you who share on social media, who follow me on social media. I will have my social media is linked below as well. Everywhere, I'm at Megan Yvonne TV on Twitter, on Instagram, on TikTok, on Facebook. So go ahead and follow me over there as well. But yeah, thank you guys for staying tuned to the rest of the video. Thank you for tuning in and supporting my channel. I do so appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in my next upload. Mwah! Bye!